This is going to blow your mind. Actually, it's going to blow both your brains because, yep, you've got two, one in your head and one in your gut. Your gut has its own nervous system. It's called the enteric nervous system, and it is so powerful, scientists call it your second brain. Who knew? The two are connected by the gut-brain axis, a private signal line where your gut sends messages up to your brain. And about 80% of the time, it's your gut doing the talking. And the best part, you can feel when your gut warning system switches on. It's like a swirl or a twist or a tighten clench, or that sick feeling in your belly, or that little quiet whisper in your body that says, nope. Do you know that feeling? That's your gut remembering something, even if your brain hasn't caught up yet. Your gut reacts to a situation in milliseconds. It's always scanning people, tone, emotions, danger, and it's been building memory from your life, even from moments that you don't remember. Ever ignored that feeling and then realised later, oh, I knew it? That's your gut doing its job. You just didn't listen to it. You don't need proof. You don't need to explain it. If something feels off, even just a little, pause, listen. It's not guessing, it's giving you a message. And when you trust it, you make smarter choices. You feel more confident and you stay safer. Because sometimes your brain doesn't remember, but your body and your gut always does. In fact, the best decision makers in the world, they don't just use their heads, they listen to their bodies, and your gut is the loudest, smartest part of that system. Start trusting your gut now and you'll thank it later. If you want more fun ways to grow confidence, learn life skills, the easy way, hit that subscribe button and watch this video coming up. In the next video, we'll talk about how to build that trust into real confidence like bricks. One choice, one gut feeling at a time. I'll see you there, and remember, don't ignore that signal. Use it.